In this video, we will learn how to make Google your home page in Google Chrome. So let's start. Open your Google Chrome and go to the right hand side. Then click on this three dot and you can see here the menu list. Then click on the settings option and here the left hand side have some option. Just click on the on startup option. In on startup, there are three options here. Just click on the third option, the open a specific page or set of pages. So click on the add new pages and here the enter the site URL. So I'm going to add the Google page. So I just enter here the Google and just copy this URL and paste here. Okay, you can see here the google.com URL is pasted here, right? And just click on the add option and here you can see the Google page is added here. Okay, so this is a way you can add your Google on home page. Now when you open this Chrome ID, it's automatically open the Google page, same as I just show you here. Just click on the enter and you can see, so this page is automatically open when you open the Google Chrome. So that's it. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.